For today's assignment, we're going to start by analyzing advertising. I just want to give you an introduction to marketing and advertising. So this is the activity that we're going to complete today. You will need to download Google Docs and use a Gmail account to put these in a Google Drive. So before you can begin this activity, make sure that you have a Gmail account set up and that your Google Drive is set up so that you can open these up in Google Docs. And we're going to be using Google Docs for the rest of the course to do all of our activities for the rest of the course. So you're going to need to set that up. All right, so once you've done that, we're going to look at this document. I use a lot of resources from Next Gen Personal Finance in my finance class, but this one's geared towards advertising. And I think it's a good introduction to what advertising is in a quick way. So what you're going to do is open the document, and there's some hyperlinks in here. You're going to take a look at the articles with the blue hyperlinks and read those. They will give you information about how to complete the rest of the document. That one gives you the definition of what advertising is. And then the second document tells you about different types of print advertising and broadcast advertising. So you're going to go here and read these articles and then fill in the box with the information from the articles. And then once you've done that, it's going to ask you to look at 3 different types of ads and determine why you think they're effective or not. Remember, there's no right answer. It's just at this point, I want you to start thinking about what makes an ad effective or not effective, so that next class we can take a deeper dive into techniques that are used in advertising to persuade. So there's a TV commercial, there's a print ad, and there's a radio ad. So I want you to analyze each of those, and then you'll turn this document in the same way that you would turn in any other document by going into My Document and hitting Submit. And it should be linked